What's up, guys? I'm back today. Last video, I mentioned I bought an iridescent headlight tint from Temu. Well, today, we've got my wife's van right behind me. We are going to attempt to apply this stuff, see if it's any good, see if it's worth the money. Now, the other thing we're going to have to find out is if they even sent me enough to do both headlights. We'll find out soon enough. Just going to go ahead and get them prepped here with some denatured rubbing alcohol. Now, one thing I'm definitely unsure about is if this is going to be a wet or a dry application. I haven't even pulled the layer of clear behind this film to see what it is. It's probably going to be a wet application. Otherwise, it's probably going to stick to the headlight and not move. Okay, we've got the clear layer pulled back a little bit, really thin. And yes, this stuff is sticky. So we're going to grab our soapy solution. Give a little mist to the headlight. And we're going to go ahead and spray the film as we're pulling it away from its clear. Now I forget exactly off the top of my head how much this was off of Temu, but we are not gonna make it. Might have to figure out something. Different angle. There we go. There. Now all I gotta do is just make that one lay down. Right? Easy. Bruh. Alright, so here goes nothing. Alright, now this is where it's going to start getting interesting.
Pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go. Throw shade, that's a no. Go high, go low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more. Pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try to speak up, can't say none. Try to dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my save ones. Take to the top from the baseline. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex. Not a human, I am from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Join number 7, he's bored though. Working all night.
Yeah, guys, at this point, I'm just winging it right now. I've never used this material. I've never ordered it off of Temu. So I have no idea what to expect. I know this corner is already short, but that's not going to matter too much. I don't know if I need to start trimming this and maybe try to get it to lay down. Time will tell.
I remember nights I was poured up. Pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and a giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Not looking good in that corner right there. They probably expect this to go on some flat headlights, maybe? I don't know. Let's start trimming, I guess. Guys, definitely not looking promising. Alright guys, as you can see, we've got it on. It's starting to look a little bit better on the edges. I've got to do some trimming, some tucking. But overall, she looks like as soon as I can get the rest of this water out of here, get that edge tucked over and heat it up real nice, she should be okay. All right, let's move on to the other side now. It's been a few days. It even rained last night. I've got to say, that looks pretty good. I would definitely say that's a win in my book. So there you have it. Join me in the next video where we're back at Omega, tinting the Jaguar XE's windshield, headlights, and the sunroof.